An argument turns deadly. That's what Douglas County prosecutors say happened in the shooting that killed a 21-year-old woman over the weekend. Good evening, I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Bill Shammer. 32-year-old Denzel Gaines is charged in that crime. KATV News Watch 7's Madison Perales is live at the Douglas County Department of Corrections with what we learned in court and what evidence were discovered at the home where that shooting happened. Madison.
Bill, Julie, according to the arrest affidavit, the moment police arrived on scene, a witness said Denzel Gaines shot her sister, Micaiah Eggert. But the details on the time that passed between the shooting and actually dialing 911 is unclear.
In court Wednesday, prosecutors say officers were called to 28th and Franklin on Sunday for a wellness check where they found Micaiah Eggert with a gunshot wound. She later died at the hospital. Witness interviews revealed in court say Denzel Gaines and Eggert were arguing in his home when he got his shotgun.
He pointed it at the victim's sister, saying, "If it goes off, it goes off," and pulled the trigger, but the weapon did not fire. The defendant then turned the shotgun to the victim, pulled the trigger again, and this time it did fire, killing the victim.
Gaines is accused of second-degree murder, 2 counts for use of a firearm to commit a felony, possessing a firearm by a prohibited person, and terroristic threats. He also has a prior criminal history. Douglas County Attorney Don Klein says based on the evidence at hand, the motive is clear.
When you point a loaded firearm at a person, you pull the trigger, I think that shows that you intended to kill them.
The initial search of the home revealed a hidden loaded shotgun with blood on the muzzle, 6 buckshot pellets in the area where Eggert was found, and blood on Gaines' right leg.
This is the initial charges we filed. We can always change that if we get other evidence that shows something different.
Klein says they're looking into the relationships between all of the parties.
There's a lot of investigation going on. If it's domestic violence related, which it seems to be.
The affidavit says Omaha police arrived at the scene around 5 p.m., which OPD confirmed is accurate. But details about when the call was made to 911 remains unclear. Investigator notes detail a neighbor heard the shot at that same time and that 20 minutes had passed before Gaines showed up asking her to call 911. Eggert's sister also tried calling police during this time.
But I'm not sure what happened as far as why the sister wasn't able to get through to 911, and we'll find out what the cause of the problem was there.
The judge ruled Gaines will be held without bond and is scheduled to have his next court appearance at the beginning of July. Reporting live, Madison Perales, KETV News Watch 7.